flowing throughout the body. Deep inhalation, exhalation. 4, 5. Now from here, we're getting ready for the part 2 of our practice. So now from here, we're sitting down on our toes, inhaling deep, and we're trying to sit just on the ball of the feet, and we're creating this balance. Hands in the center, straighten your spine, eyes looking at the tip of the nose, have deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, hand to the knees, slowly standing up, exhale, fully relax. Now from here, the standing poses, Ekam inhale, holding the waist, deep breath, open chest, Dve exhale, slowly going down. You can bend your knee if you need to, hand your toes, so the Pada Anusthasana. Inhale, slowly head up, straightening the spine, make sure your shoulders are not tight, exhale, slowly down, opening the elbows out, head down, eyes looking at your belly, and deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly head up, exhale there. Hands under your feet, exhale gently down. Eyes looking at your belly again, deep breathing. 1, 2, 3. With every exhalation, you want to go further down more and more. If your knees are bent, you want to rise up your hips. You want to bring your head down and noticing this deep stretch at your hamstring, at your shoulders, your back. And deep, continuous breath. 4, 5. Inhale, head up. Hand to the waist. Exhale, slowly, gently. We're coming back in the center. Slowly, we're taking our time. Exhale fully. Now from here, inhaling deep, Utthita Trikonasana. Use your right leg and the left leg back. Deep inhalation, open hands out. Dve exhale, slowly making a triangle. Slowly sliding the hand as down as possible and your left hand up. Make sure your hip and the shoulders stay in one line. Deep breathing. If they are not in one line, slightly go up. And then you create a balance. Hold your hip muscles tight so you find a balance. 2. And use every exhalation to slide hand down, 3. So eventually your spine will get parallel with the ground. 2, 3. And your deep breathing is the most important part in that. 4, 5. Inhale, full deep breath in, hold the breath, holding the breath, slowly coming back to the center, exhale fully. Opposite side, same way. Take a full deep breath in. Exhale, slowly going down. And your right hand is up, deep breathing. Inhale and exhale fully. 1, 2, 3, 4. And have deep breathing. 4, 5. Inhale. Hold this breath, slowly coming back to the center. Exhale slowly in the center. Deep breathing. Now from here is Parsha Konasana. Stretching your left leg, going behind a little bit, and then bending the right knee. Keep your knee straight, very important. Open your hands. Exhale, slowly going down, and stretching your left hand up. Eyes looking at your thumb. Keep bending your knee forward, the knee in the back straight. Use both your hip muscles, holding tight. Deep, full breathing. 2, 3, 4. Keep on bending forward. 4. Long deep breathing. 5. Inhale. Hold the breath. Slowly coming back in the center. Exhale. The left side, same way. Take a deep breath and see every standing posture has important role for the low part of our belly. So this health, the core health, improves so much with that. Also, you also find how your hamstrings are stretches. Also, you find how we are moving the upper part, the spine in the way. So that is, again, secretion of our muscle that is moving the fluid in the body. Inhaling deep, exhale slowly going down, stretch the hand up. And again, every time we use our hip muscle, we find a stability in the body. Our hip muscles are the most powerful muscles we have in the body. Deep breathing, stretch hand up, 2, and keep you bending your knee, 3, 4, 'Long breathing, 4, 5, inhale, holding the breath, slowly coming back in the center, exhale fully, relax and let go. See, when you get very good in a posture, you know that you're doing it really good and you're able to push yourself, then you start to focus more on the breath. You find that this is a dynamic meditativeness happening, that you find totally interlinked and connected with your body and with your mind through your breath. Now, we have the toes in, heel out, knees straight, hand to the waist, always holding the waist very, very strong, like you own it. Inhaling deep, open chest. Exhale, slowly bring the hand down. If the hands are not reaching on the ground, you can use the hand at your shin muscles as well. Inhaling, head up. Training, exhale, slowly going down. This is the excellent asana in the pregnancy. Slowly bring the crown of the head down, shoulders are relaxed, eyes looking at your belly. Deep breathing, inhale, exhale deep, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly head up. Exhale there. Hands go behind, interlock your finger. Stretch out, exhale down again. Head fully down, eyes looking at your belly again. Deep breathing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every exhalation more and more down. 4, 5. Inhale, take a deep breath in. You can also bend your knee and slowly bring the hands up and gently going up. Gently going up, exhale gently. So this slow movement of going up and down, so you don't feel a kind of this dizziness because of the pressure of the blood. Now from here is Uttanasana. Have your heel in and toes out, and we're bringing the knees out, horizontal with the ground, and the body is vertical with the ground, going down straight line. And slowly bring the hand in the center, open your chest, deep breathing, use your hip muscle holding tight, use your pelvic muscle holding strong, expose your chest out, hand in the center, eyes looking at the tip of the nose, keep on dropping hips down, making sure you're not bending out, straight as possible. More you do this, better you will get. In the beginning, it's not very comfortable, but you're doing it for a while, you find it, you can well do this. This will help you so much in your labor, in your childbirth. I don't like saying labor. It's not labor. It's a most powerful process. Deep breathing. 2. Stretching down with every exhalation, and notice that you have the control at your hip muscle, you have the control at your pelvic muscle, and you have the strength at your thighs. 4. And you're deep breathing. 4. More you focus on the breath, less you feel the burning or pain. 5. Inhale deep, slowly going back in the center, exhale gently, relax and let go. You will also notice that how your thigh muscles become very, very strong. Our thigh muscles are very less trained, but as soon as we start to train them, for example, doing this posture, they start to take a beautiful shape very fast as well. Now from here, inhaling deep, Utkatasana, deep breath in, and gently bending the knee, and having the hips are rolled out and bringing the hips up, eyes looking in between your hands, or hands are joined, eyes looking at your thumb, and keep on dropping hips down. Deep breathing. 2, 3. If possible here, squeeze your back and bottom, your pelvic muscle, squeeze it, and you keep on dropping hips down. 4, 5. Inhale, slowly coming back in center. Exhale gently, relax and let go. A double practice on your thighs. Inhaling deep, slowly bring the right heel at your inner left thigh and press it in, hand in the center. Exhale, bring the hand up. Eyes looking on the floor or in front of you, anything small that you can visually spot and anchor yourself with. Deep breathing, 2, 3. Have the awareness of the touch of your fingertips, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly in the center. Exhale, gently go down. Left side, same way. Pancharasha, inhale. Take a deep breath in. Heel is pressing in, hand in the center. Exhale, going down, going up, sorry. Deep breathing, eyes looking at the same spot where you were looking. Deep breathing, keep on going up. So this is bringing the sense of balance in the body. So your motor neuron system will be so intelligent because the feedback system with your muscle and with your breath just empowers the signaling. 3. And not only yours, but also your baby's as well. So you'll find how your baby will be so balanced. 3, 4, 5. Inhaling deep, slowly, gently. We're coming back in the center. Exhale fully. I tell you a funny thing, and that is not a vanity. So anything that I share with you, it's my own experience, and I think something maybe can motivate you and surprise you. So my son, he's able to do things with the left hand, so that is what he used most of the time, we realize. He also used right hand. And when we have a board for him with the chalk and with the pen, he used both hands to draw. So this is incredible because we are not born with the kind of this that, oh, he's right hand or left hand. We choose it based on our motor neuron system. Yeah. So yeah, but like, you know, that is a kind of situation where he's going to find out eventually which hand you want to use more. But what we see, he eat from the left hand, so he's a left-handed because that is an instinctive left hand eating. So just to let you know that how our motor neuron system not only impacting us but also our baby in the belly. Now from here is Veerbhadrasana, warrior pose. Have your right leg forward and the left is back. Take a deep full breath in, bending the right knee, bending as much as possible, body in the center, stretch hand out. Use both your hip muscles, holding strong, eyes looking on the top of the fingers and the chin up, deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, full breathing. 4, 5. Inhale, slowly coming back in the center, exhale fully. As I was talking about him, he just back home from the shopping. Inhaling deep, stretch hand out, eyes looking at the top of your fingers. Use both your hip muscle, holding strong, stretching hand, eyes looking on the top, have the chin up, deep breathing. 2, and deep breathing, and keep on bending your knee. 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, take a deep breath in, slowly bring the hands down, exhale fully, release and let go. Take a deep full breath in, inhaling deep, now slowly sit